GSP Bora, noise during power off. In the gyro compass, the gyrosphere. Power off, Power off, both AC and DC, and this is the noise. Ooh. This noise is really bad. As per this, 2016. Incredible.